And we're gonna have some shrimp and some arroz amarillo.
Yes, we are.
Yellow rice.
Yes, yellow rice.
David Nuno, John Arnold, Chef John here, cooking with ABC 13.
Well, we're just going to get started with the shrimp first. What we're going to do is I want you to hit it with a little olive oil here in this hot pan.
Okay, gonna drop some olive oil in there.
Yeah, just coat the bottom. That looks really, really good.
Okay.
And then I want you to add that garlic if you can.
Yes, sir.
Just kind of tap it in there. Good to go.
There we go.
That's the sound we want. If it's too hot, just simply take the pan off, and we're going to add the shrimp.
Okay.
And I want it warm. I want this cooking quickly,
but warm.
We're going to season with salt and a little bit of the adobo.
And we talk about these being quick recipes. This is a quick recipe.
Literally, seriously. It takes about a good 3 minutes for this shrimp to cook. We already pre-cooked the rice. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to add not only flavor, we're going to add some color. I love adding this paprika. It's going to give this shrimp a nice color. What we're going to do now, David, is we're going to deglaze the pan. And Goya makes this great cooking wine. Watch this.
Just like that.
Beautiful. Looking good.
I can smell the shrimp. It's starting to
get that flavor. You can smell it.
Oh yeah, sooky now.
Some parsley for color. We're getting really close there.
It's starting to get very pink.
Yes. You know, also what we have in the oven cooking right now are some vine-ripe tomatoes.
Right.
And I've actually scored those to keep them from popping. We had a little olive oil, salt and pepper to those, a little seasoning. We're trying to get a little color on them. What we can do now is turn that off. There'll be some carryover cooking, and what we're going to do right now is start the plating process. And instead of just throwing the rice on the plate, we're going to make it a little prettier. So what we're going to do is we're going to just fill this little cylinder. They say this in culinary school, that you eat with your eyes first. I want you to check this out, David.
Bruh.
Look at that. And then what we're going to do is get your tongs, just go around it, just like that. Go 3 or 4 around it and one on top.
Okay. Well, the one on top, I'm kind of worried that I'm going to destroy the whole process.
Yeah, put one here and
Wasn't
then
there like a
one on
game
top.
as a kid we used to play like that?
Yeah, I think there was.
Jenga or something? One of those games?
Yeah, something like that.
Really worried.
And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of fresh parsley. And the last but not least is our
roasted tomatoes.
Roasted tomatoes. Here.
Oh, look at that. So,
see what you think. There you go. That's a good bite.
I hate when I can hear other people eating. I'm enjoying hearing myself eating. Oh, it's really good.
Isn't that really good? All those flavors, and you get
the peas with the shrimp with the rice.
It's a real pretty dish.
You keep talking. I'm going to keep eating.
Yes.
Why don't you close the segment out for us, because this is really that good that I'm going to need to keep eating, okay? Thank you so much.
You bet. It was really good. Great job working with David here on this dish. We hope you get a chance to try it at home.
You really don't have to close it out. I get it.
Didn't know that. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for putting me on the spot. Embarrassing.